All right, so I have a bunch of the drawers, or the doors, sorry, laid out with the hardware. That's what I've spent the last like 45 minutes to an hour doing. The hardware in this particular scenario is really difficult because all of the hardware is different. I didn't label any of it. Half of it wasn't labeled when we got the stuff, and I didn't label the other half because I didn't realize that all the hardware was different. I thought it was all the same. So you can see in the pantry I've got a bunch of stuff laid out. So I'm going to start trying to put stuff together. Let's see how it goes.
So, another day at this thing. It's taking forever, but we're gonna get it done as much as we can. We gotta paint the ceiling. I'm gonna grout the backsplash. Whoa. I'm gonna grout the backsplash tonight. I just cleaned it up. Now, you probably can't see any of the mistakes, but there's definitely mistakes. I don't know what it is with, maybe it's with all the little shims, the plus signs, or what. What are you doing? Why? Why are you licking my leg? Okay, I don't know what the deal is, but I didn't push some of them so that they were level. Some are in and out, but I think once the grout gets on, it'll still look really, really good. You gotta really get up in there close to see all of the imperfections. So, going for it. I gotta get a float tool. I don't have one, so I need to get that. And then I need to get some more plumbing supplies so I can put this kitchen sink in. We're this close. Home stretch. All right. Hey there, an update for this evening. We painted the ceiling and Emily
Painted the walls again.
Super excited about that. It's like the bajillionth time she's painted, so it was the last touch up, and I think we're done with that. We finally got the ceiling painted, which hadn't been painted in probably years. It was yellow. It was disgusting. And then Emily worked in the pantry, painted some trim as well. So we're really good with paint, and it's looking really sharp. Are you ready for this to be done?
Yes.
So we're this close. I keep saying this close. But we are, for this room at least. Pantry's a little bit, there's little things to get done, electric, countertop, etc. We just need a little bit of caulk in this place, and then we can.
So slight amount of painting still left to do.
Yeah.
Like maybe like minimal trim, touch up, door touch up, just from like goopy hands touching things. So I gotta clean the doors and make sure that we don't. Yeah.
Goopy.
It's hard to keep your hands clean in here. Like
so
doing stuff. So.
All right, that calls it
Close.
for tonight, and we'll be back at it. And we got a lot of work to do on the mudroom, but that'll be for next weekend. So, all right, catch you later.